How to freeze MEXC account step by step. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can easily freeze your MEXC account step by step. First of all, launch open MEXC application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're inside the main homepage of MEXC, go ahead and tap on the human icon at the top left corner from the homepage. Now, you will come across this screen where you'll need to scroll down and tap on Security. Under Security, scroll down and tap on Manage Account. Once you're inside the Manage MEXC Account tab, tap on Freeze Account and then select a region why you are trying to freeze your account. After making a selection, tap on Proceed. Now go ahead and read all the information carefully and tap on the square icon at the bottom once the countdown turns to 0. Remember, freezing your account will not let you trade or withdraw funds. Your account stays safe but inactive, and you can usually contact support to unfreeze it later. Tap the freeze account option in the pop-up at the bottom, and then you'll be able to see this verification tab. Go ahead and tap on Get Code right next to email verification and enter the 6-digit code you receive via your email. Now on the next field, type in your Google Authenticator code that has been generated inside the authentication app and tap Submit. If the codes are correct, you'll then be able to freeze your account. So there you have it. That is how you can freeze your MEXC account in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.